Let's start.
Okay, sir. So let's see, there's 8 users. Okay, 5 to 6 users, I guess. Okay. I'll start the recording, sir.
Yeah,
The recording.
yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay. So hello everyone. Welcome to today's session on the preparation strategy for GATE 2024. My name is Prashant Kumar. I am currently working in Coal India Limited. It's a Maharatna PSU. I've been working here since the past 1.5 years, and now I've got recently promoted as an assistant manager also. This Coal India Limited is a Maharatna PSU, and I'm essentially a grade A government officer. Okay. Furthermore, about me, I have given GATE. I've been giving GATE for the past few years, and my most recent result was in GATE Electronics, GATE 2022 Electronics. My All India rank was 32. So all of you guys are going to start your batch in May itself, right? None of them are from February
No,
batch.
Feb
right?
batch.
Feb batch also is
Majority, yeah, all are Feb batch student actually.
Oh, okay. I thought they're May batch students. That's
Yeah.
also fine. Okay, then. So today's date is well, April 26th. So let me start with this thing first. What's the timeline we are going to follow? We can say that April has almost ended. So we are left with May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8 months. Okay. 8 months of preparation time is remaining, which is to how much? Roughly 240 to 50 days. And in these 250 days, you have to complete
Can
all
you be
the.
louder? Yeah, please be louder.
I'll have to adjust that also then. I'm audible, right?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello?
Okay. Yes, you are audible. Please.
Okay. Well, as I was saying, till the end of December, we have time for preparation. January and the full month of January and the first week of February, you can consider that to be the time where you just give tests. No studying new subjects or at that time or anything new. Okay. So until December, we have 8 months, and utilizing these 8 months for now, it's very important, utilizing this properly. So let's start with the what all infrastructure you guys might already be using. First of all, it's the classes, obviously. Every day, I guess it's 2 hours. Then assignments as per the assignments that the teachers give as per as they see fit. Then the mock tests and the discussion forums. I hope you guys are doing all of these properly. Discussion forums as in the WhatsApp and the Telegram group chats. Okay. So let me get some replies from you guys. How many of you have started giving the mock tests? You know, the unit mock test.
Topic wise mock exams.
Yeah, topic wise. Okay, only one guy has replied. That's fine. So giving these mock tests, it's first of all with the classes. Let's start. Let's go order wise. The classes. I hope you're giving at least having full attendance in the classes, because without attending the classes, you can't really do anything. And when you do attend the classes, also giving your full attention in the class is really important. Okay, it's not like since we have moved on to the online mode of education, recordings are available. You might get the feeling that let's skip today's class. I'll just see the recording and make up for it. That's a major no-no. Okay, whatever classes are going on live, attend those then and there, and make full use of that. Okay. Next. Well, these three things you should be uh, familiar with. Again, you guys have gone through what all the syllabus you have for your subjects, right? I have seen people who, towards the end of November or December, at that time only they are seeing the syllabus, and they have no idea how much ground they have to cover. So syllabus, preferably a printed copy of the syllabus, you guys should keep, so that you know exactly how much portion you have covered, how much is left, and so that you can plan accordingly. Then you need to have books, as in reference books, and books for which contain previous year solved questions. Okay. Other than this, having a strict schedule, which you follow every day, that's also important. Let me know from you guys, how many hours do you study a day, or maybe per week? Hello, guys.
Yes, guys, how many hours a day you guys are putting or weekly hours?
2 to 3 hours. Only Akash is answering. Others? Okay, 2 hours. And these 2 hours, I'm guessing you're counting the lecture hours itself.
No, sir, it should not be like that. If they consider lecturer itself, then it's
Yeah.
tough.
I'm trying to clarify what they mean by 2 to 3 hours.
Yes, yes.
2 hours, 5 to 6 a day. Okay.
Including lectures, right, Amit? And Darika and Akash excluding lectures, right? Yeah. So you can say Prashant 2 to
Yes,
3
sir.
hours other than
Yeah.
lectures. So I think that's fine for working people.
For working people, managing 2 to 3 hours other than lectures, that will make it 4 to 5 hours every day, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
that much should be sufficient. That's part of scheduling it. Utilizing those 2 to 3 hours other than the lectures, that's also really, really important. Next. I hope you're following these tips also. That you're keeping separate copies for your class notes and for problem solving. Not like you attend one lecture, you write the notes, then related to that you put the problems that you solve on your own into that only. You should not be doing things like this. Keep separate copies for class notes and problem solving also, and you should make other notes after the class is over on your own. Okay, short notes, which Dinesh sir used to advise me when I was a student over here. Other than this, you should have a to-do list of concepts which are not clear to you. You have already covered, I think, 3 months of courses now. So I'm 100% sure that all the concepts are not clear. Whichever concepts are not clear, getting them cleared up right now, it's very important. This also I have to emphasize very clearly. This time remaining, you might be thinking that you can clear up the concepts later. Right now, you can just chill and let the time pass. That's not a good approach. If any concepts are not clear, address them right now itself. Because as time progresses, new subjects will appear, and we will not get time to clear up the previous parts. I'll give you more reasons for this also. For EC students, there's this subject communication systems, right? Yes, please reply. You heard of this subject at least, communication systems? Yeah. See, the thing with communication systems is that it needs a firm base in another subject, signals and systems. Okay? If you're not clear with signals and systems, these communication systems will just go over your head. So unless you clear your concepts in signals and systems right now, by that, if you haven't cleared that, by the time you reach communication systems, you'll be in deep, deep trouble. This is just one example. Thing with this engineering is that all of the subjects, they'll get interlinked. And I mean all of them. When you start solving questions, you'll see that some questions will be not from just one subject. 3 to 4 subjects, they'll mix and mash it and give questions. For at a time, those kind of questions, concept clarity is very important. And for that, maintaining this order, having proper foundations with these earlier courses should ensure that. Other than this, keep a list of your of the questions that have not been solved. One thing I have noticed, as in more specifically not noticed, is the activity in WhatsApp group. Honestly, I thought that this is going to be new students, and so I prepared the PPT accordingly. But since you guys are from Feb batch, I don't really see anyone using the WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups being active over there. You're not posting any questions that you're not able to solve. I highly doubt that you are able to solve all the questions that you're trying. So, make it a point to clear up those questions. And the way to do that is by using the discussion forums, be it WhatsApp or Telegram. Other students will help solve the questions, or the faculty. Usually the faculty will get involved with that. Other than that, you have to regularly keep in touch with the faculty, okay, regarding these doubts, regarding the amount of portions that have been covered, and other well-being also, as in how to approach the exams and all. And not just 1 or 2 faculties, with each subject faculty you should be familiar with. Okay? Okay, then moving on. These are other principles that you should adapt while preparing for GATE. First one is discipline. It might seem like a no-brainer, but it's the difficulty level that is there in implementing discipline. That makes it necessary to repeat this. It's like we are all grown adults now. You guys are all 21, 22 years old, right? You're not little kids anymore. If you have to achieve anything in your life, be it something small or something big, life-changing as a career, discipline is really necessary. This discipline, I don't just mean in part of studying, I mean in life-wise also. Take your 24 hours that you have in a day, having a proper sleep schedule, eating your food on time. Those things, those are part of this discipline. If you do those properly, then when you sit for studying and for revision and all, there won't be any clashes. You will be able to focus properly. If you don't have a proper sleep schedule, you might fall asleep in class. Maybe you'll start skipping on this revision. Those things, that should not happen. Okay. Part of this discipline is time management. Other kind of time management is while taking the exam. Okay. I'm sure you guys know what the pattern of the exam is. We will come to that. I think most of you will know, but still addressing that is necessary. At least I think so. Next is learning from your mistakes. Okay. What I mean by this is you should ask questions in class. It doesn't matter if you think that your question is going to be really silly, or if you think people will laugh at you, nothing like that is going to happen. You should, get over that shyness. Shyness is what I'd call that. And just ask questions in class. Doesn't matter if it's whatever that question is. I'm sure the teachers will be happy to help. Next is revision. Okay. How many, okay, you guys said you studied 2 hours every day other than the lectures. I hope you're revising all the subjects. over there. You guys are revising it, right? How do you do your revision? One of you please enlighten me. Okay, you go through your questions and notes. Okay. That's the first step in revision. In order to really solidify your concepts, you should, make the notes again. Sometimes solving the same questions again and again also can help, provided the question is a really difficult one. I have seen questions during my preparation which were so good that they covered 3 to 4 subjects. If you solve that one question from 3 to 4 subjects, some like 6 to 7 concepts you'll be able to clarify with that just one question. Okay. Other than that, my personal opinion is that a study group is necessary. By study group, I mean study buddies. It's like if you try to study alone and due to some reason you lose focus and you are not able to study on a regular basis, if you have a study group, people who regularly talk to specifically about this gate preparation, they'll help you get back on track. Also, if you are stuck on a doubt, this study group, that should be your first preference. Solving these questions amongst your own, it helps you really think about the questions on your own. Okay, you can ask the faculty and get the direct answers directly also, but solving it on your own, that's an you should try that experience also. Now, regarding the exam, someone tell me the pattern. How many questions are there? Aptitude, English, technical. This is a really simple question, right? What's the pattern? GATE exam pattern. Is aware of what the pattern is? How many questions are there in GATE? Someone please answer this. Why is no one answering this? Am I audible or not? Dharika, are you there? Okay, 65 questions. And how many of these are aptitude and English? Yeah. Total is 5 questions. I won't write it. Total is 65 questions. Out of these, 10 questions are aptitude questions, as in aptitude and English. You can say 5 aptitude and 5 English questions, and remaining 55 are technical questions. Okay. So, and in this, there's division between, again, as 1 mark and 2 mark questions also. I think 25 1 mark questions and 32 mark questions. Okay. These things you can see later on also, but just giving you a general overview. Well, when you start taking the exams, as in mock exams, this pattern will become obvious over there also. Other than this, there's the gate calculator also. How many of you use this gate calculator app? The app. Not using. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. I guess it's the right time. I've got you at the right time now. GATE exam, you're not allowed to take your scientific calculators inside the examination hall. And on the computer screen itself, a small calculator will be provided, and you should be completely comfortable using that calculator. There are surely going to be questions where you will need the calculator, and so knowing the operations and being familiar with the interface, that's really important. So on Google Play, it's easily available. You can just search Google GATE calculator. The first result should be the proper one. Install it and use that on a regular basis. This scientific calculator, while it may have more functions and you might be more comfortable with it since you can hold it in your hand, when it's exam time, this GATE calculator is all that you're going to have. So ensure that you use this one. Other than that, in exam, yeah, I hope you know what NETs and MSQs are. What are NETs? Can someone answer? What is this NET? Yeah, numerical answer type. So basically, GATE has actually three types of questions: MCQs, numerical answer types, and MSQs. MCQs have negative marking. So those you have to attempt very carefully. If you don't know the answer, don't touch the question. MCQs. However, when it comes to NATs and MSQs, just attempt them. Okay, even if you don't know the answer properly, if your concept is not clear, you can still attempt simply because there is no negative marking. Okay, NATs and MSQs. For MCQs, multiple choice, attempt them very carefully. Other than this, yeah, some other simple tips. I've already mentioned this. You should maintain a proper food and sleep schedule. Socialize with your peers also. And one thing that you should get familiar with, now that you're proper engineers, is that initially when you start preparation, there is going to be a lot of failures. There will be a lot of concepts that will just not go into your head, but you have to keep on trying. And when you're trying, this failure is definitely going to happen. So don't be scared of that. No one is going to laugh at anything. If you are having trouble, do ask for help, be it from your peers or from teachers. Okay? And make it a habit to ask questions whenever you can. In the 2-hour lecture, maybe you're not able to ask questions then, but the faculty is available beyond those hours too. Okay, everyone is available on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can post directly on the channel itself, WhatsApp or Telegram. Or if you're not comfortable, just message the faculty directly. Okay, we have a culture of answering questions on WhatsApp also. You can use that. Okay. Finally, a few words from my end. This getting good results, it takes time. Okay. What I mean by this is that when you start taking mock tests right now, I'm sure that your results will not be good. You need a multi-dimensional approach to get these good results. You need proper time management, proper stress management, and having all the proper clarity in concepts and attempting questions with minimum effort. You can't sit in the exam hall putting down all the theory on the paper and solving the question. You have to do it really quickly also, right? The time management. So to practice that, it's going to take time. And by time, I mean quite a lot of time until you'll be, let's say you are taking mock tests regularly. Now April end is there. Towards the end of October or November also, I think you might still be stuck. Be facing issues with time management, and it might be frustrating. I'm trying to. I remember the time was when I was preparing. Even during January, I was facing issues with time. But as I practiced and practiced, without losing any hope, the results they started coming by themselves. Okay. Also, you guys should believe in yourself. Sometimes you'll feel like getting this top 10 or top 100 rank, it's only for toppers. No, normal people can't really do that. Thing is, it's hard work, it beats talent, you know. And if you believe in yourself, you can, the hard work will come automatically. Okay. Okay, then I guess that's it from my end. So, any questions from you guys? Any issues you guys are facing in the classes? You can share with me. Okay, come on, that was too fast. You can ask the technical questions also. I'll allow that. Which classes are going on right now? Which subjects? Signals and systems must be going on. Other than that, maths. Okay. Digital, maths, and digital and maths. It's fully covered. Digital over. Okay. Maths will it will take some time. Okay, then since digital is over, I think we can question banks that I took. Mid-easy question bank. Honestly, whatever's, yeah, mid-easy is a standard one. You can just go for that.
So hello everyone, we'll take up questions. So now you guys can ask question. So now the next subjects, Prashant sir, we are going to start network theory. Okay, apart from mathematics is going to like continue till it completes. So when mathematics completes, we'll start aptitude. So that's the plan for these guys. Okay, and another thing, once network is done or halfway, we'll start signal.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. So now question bank. So IGC has its own assignments. So Akash, are you using IGC assignments? Topic wise assignments are there, which includes PYQs, also includes questions from ISRO exam, ICRB, or from other competitive exam questions. So how many of you are using IGC assignments? I will do a poll. And then we can discuss. So those who are using IGC assignments can say yes. So guys, why Akash you are not using IGC assignments? They are quite good, right, Prashant? You have
Yes,
used all resources as best. And guys, one more thing I want to highlight, Mr. Akash or Amit or Dharika. Prashant is electrical engineer, okay, Amit, and he got best rank in GATE AC, okay. So Akash, please use assignments well, and then write topic-wise exam. So many of the things for EC you learned at IGC, right, Prashant?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
we teach commonly students, and especially subjects like EDC,
Yes, sir.
which is
EDC and field theory.
yes. So both taught together. So I think, guys, those who are not using assignments, make sure use assignments. And another good thing, Prashant, I do not suggest go for any solution book.
Okay, sir.
Actually, I usually tell guys, don't go for any PYQ solution book. Why? Because once we start, people take a solution book, they will start mugging and stop trying
Yes, sir.
to solve questions, or so until unless people try, their problem solving skill will not improve, their speed will not improve, if they just refer the solution books. So
Yes, sir.
my suggestion from my mentoring of many students, including you, always, guys, use the best references. Use your own notes, your class notes. You can approach teacher to find what can be the clue for a particular problem, instead of asking the whole solution as such. Yeah. So, guys, share your question, Mr. Prashant, being a PSU guy or topper in GATE. If you want to know something particularly about GATE related, GATE preparation related, or any other question. Dharika, any question? Arnav? Arnav, you joined late. Mr. Prashant is IGCN, and currently is working with Coal India, and he's one of the topper in GATE EC. So if you have any question to him.
Maybe they're hesitating to ask in the public
No,
forum.
they should ask. See, we are very frank. Yeah, you have given your number, they can contact.
Yeah.
Anyway, you will be mentoring them for network theory. So they will become, slowly in touch with you.
Yes, sir.
And they will ask for sure. Gokul, any question?
Akash was asking something for every subject he has asked.
Yeah. Akash, what was the Akash? Akash, I told na, for every subject, question bank is asking. So IGC has question banks, right? Those assignments.
That's a really good place to start.
Yeah.
That's a really good place to start, Akash.
Yeah, we will not see personally, Akash. I don't suggest any PYQ solution book. There is one good book, Nodia publication, right? Other than all are junk actually. More of mistakes, with mistakes only. But our target is to solve ourselves. Akash, all the PYQs, after learning well, you should be in position to solve. Clear? Okay. So fine then, I think no other question it seems. Let me check any question if on YouTube. Can you tell what is this UPSC ESC EE technical exam? Prashant, are you aware of that?
Engineering services, sir. IES. That's the exam.
No, engineering service EE. Is it same that engineering service exam?
IES and ESC are the same thing, sir. They are conducted by UPSC.
ESC is the same. Yeah. Anyway, we do not, promise ESC. We promise always GATE and PSUs. Yeah. So we are happy to do that, actually. Yeah. So I think so. It was really good, actually. You covered all the important point in a very simple and precise way. One more thing we will do, Prashant, down the line, after a month around, we will have a performance review meeting. So last meeting I did alone. Next time I will invite you. Okay, so we
Okay, sir.
will discuss all these points again. And if they
Sure.
have any individual challenge, because by that time math will get over, and
Yes, sir.
network will be also in good shape. Apart from one subject is already complete. Yeah. So guys, if no question, we can wind up, right? And now, do you have any question? Because this session we started by 9:15. So any question, Arnav? Okay, it seems no question, right? Okay, so okay then, Prashant, thank you very much for this session, and thank you all who have joined this session. Hopefully, this will be a fruitful exercise for you all and those who watch us on YouTube as well. So, thank you. Thank you, sir, Prashant. I'll wind up
Thank you, sir.
this now. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Darika. Thank you. All right. Okay, Amit. Thank you. All the best.